are you? Some people in San Diego are having a tough time finding first dose appointments. The county's largest vaccination site near Petco Park downtown was all quiet this morning, once again closed over the weekend due to lack of supply. UC San Diego health officials hope to reopen that site on Wednesday, as some are running out of time for their second dose appointments. But
people should not worry about being delayed.
UC San Diego infectious disease expert Dr. Douglas Richmond says he knows that the CDC recommends second doses be delivered no later than 6 weeks after first ones. But he says historical data shows booster shots for other vaccinations can wait up to 6 months. So even if you have to wait 8 or 10 weeks,
it's not like your immunity disappears.
The CDC says right now there is limited data about how effective doses are after the 6-week window, but says that they can still be given.
When those studies were designed, we had no idea how good these vaccines would be. And it turns out these vaccines are better than anyone expected. And as a result, those of us who have looked at all the data are reassured that there's really good protection after the first one, at least for several months.
Richmond says a letter was sent out to those who might be getting their booster shots past 6 weeks, but pretty soon some people might not have to worry about booster shots. The single-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine has FDA authorization, and state officials say doses could be here by the end of the week, even though the J&J vaccine is slightly less effective than the Moderna and Pfizer one.
It still protects you from hospitalization and death.
1, 2, 3.
Large-scale vaccinations for law enforcement officers and staff like 911 dispatchers are officially underway in San Diego.
Workers that support law enforcement, they're eligible now, wildlife management emergency, so it's a very, very large group.
Good morning.
Scripps Health has been tapped by the county to administer vaccinations to all of the local law enforcement agencies. Previously, some departments had been getting leftover doses that would have otherwise gone unused.
I guess the surprising part is as we're reaching out to the departments, we're finding that most of them are already vaccinated.
A reminder for teachers and those working in K-12 schools. Those vaccinations are being scheduled by districts and the County Office of Education. Other county-sponsored vaccination superstations are still operational, and officials are setting appointments based on available supply. Smaller sites like the one at the Tubman Chavez Community Center also remain open. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.